To fix the issue of Venmo password reset email not sending, follow these steps. First, ensure you have a stable internet connection, as a weak or lost connection can prevent the email from sending. Next, check your email address associated with your Venmo account to confirm it is correct and up to date. If your email address is correct, try checking your spam or junk folder, as the password reset email may have been flagged as spam. If you still cannot find the email, try adding Venmo to your email provider's safe sender list to prevent future emails from being flagged. Another step is to check if you have any email filters set up that may be blocking the password reset email. If you have any filters, try disabling them temporarily to see if the email is delivered. Additionally, try using a different email address or a different device to request the password reset email. This can help determine if the issue is specific to your email address or device. It is also important to check Venmo's status page to see if there are any known issues with their password reset system. If there are known issues, wait until they are resolved before attempting to reset your password again. If none of these steps resolve the issue, you may want to consider contacting Venmo's customer support for further assistance. They can help you troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to reset your password. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve the issue of Venmo password reset email not sending. Remember to always prioritize your account security by using strong and unique passwords and keeping your email address up to date.